Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unbagging the January 2018 Ipsy bag. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. Today I'm going to be reviewing the January 2018 Ipsy bag. I have mine here and I'm just opening it for the first time right now. So we're going to open it together. Super cute. So this is the bag. It's like a mesh material with neon. Super cute. So it says, for the January glam bag, whether you're heading to kickboxing or kicking back with your crew, this little mesh pouch is a winner for showing off your sporty side. Okay. So the first thing that I got is masks. So this one is Pomegranate Crush Bio Republic Illuminating Sheet Mask, and then Aloe Rescue. So those are the first two items that didn't even fit in the bag. Okay, so the name of the bag is Game Face. So it says, fact, you've got this, whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or consistent skincare routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goals is already within you. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag, 5 personalized pics, and the articles on Ipsy.com were designed to keep your game-faced and ready for anything all month long. We even teamed up with Candace Huffing of Day One, an empowering activewear line to express that everybody and everybody can slay every day. And then it's got like a resolution card. I will conquer what? Put what you guys want to conquer down below. So, first item going in. Orbi Gold Less Dry Shampoo. Ooh. I always need dry shampoo. Let's see how it smells though. I can't smell anything. Oh wait, it does smell good. Next, we have Punk Volumizer Mascara by, I think it's Douce. Let's check out the wand. Oh, it's got a really big, fluffy wand. That should be pretty good for bottom lashes. Next item, Mary Luminizer Highlight Shimmer Eyeshadow. Like this, and it's a little book. Looks really nice. Let's swatch it. That's really nice. So now the last item is Ciate London Fierce Flicks. Ooh, felt tip. And it's super black. So now I'm gonna try out a few of them just on camera. So my hair is greasy right now, so I'm gonna try out the dry shampoo. So final result, it's not volumizing or anything, but it does absorb some oil. Be good for on the go. going to keep that in my purse, as well as the mascara and the eyeliner. I didn't put any highlight on today, so I'm just going to put some of this on really quick and we'll see how it looks. Just with my finger. The highlight's nice. A good like everyday highlight. Also good eyeshadow color. So I liked the January bag a lot, and I'm looking forward to the rest of 2018's bags. I've had Ipsy for, this is my 4th month now, I think it is. Yeah, 4th month. And I really like it so far. $10, not too expensive, to get 5 products. And you go on, you customize it, you fill out your own preferences, like what your skin type is, what your hair is like, what colors you like, and they'll send you whatever you want. So it's really cool. You can put in feedback, and when you put in feedback you earn points, then you can cash in the points to get products, so it's really, really cool. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below on what's something that you'd like me to do in the future. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I'll have the link below. I'll also have all the links to my social media if you're interested in that as well. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week.